I'm going to show you how to play the Toothless Dancing Meme on piano, easy. First, I'm going to play it fast, then I'll play it slower so you can follow it. So here you go. Here's what it sounds like. Okay, now I'm going to show you where your fingers go so you can follow it slowly with me. Thumb on E flat, 2 on G flat, 3 on A flat, 4 on A, 5 on B flat. So put your fingers right there and we're going to read it slowly together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Go to my website to try my course, and I also have a free webinar there, and I'm going to have some ebooks up soon, and so you can play lots of songs. It's going to be fun, or click up there to watch another video. Bye.